My name is Andreas Antona and I'm the owner of Simpsons Restaurant in Edgbaston.
My name's Luke Tipping. I'm the chef and director of Simpsons Restaurant here in Edgbaston, Birmingham. So retaining the Michelin star is fantastic. It's a magical achievement. We've been trading as Simpsons Restaurant for over 25 years now, and it's every chef's dream to get a Michelin star.
Yeah, I suppose the food style at Simpsons has changed quite a lot. We've always been at the forefront of what's been going on in the trade, whether it's I don't think it's a fashion, but we've always tried to be current and move with the times. And I was that sort of a chef before I had Simpsons.
The food involvement now is, we've still got the passion, we've still got the belief. We've gone through many journeys, as you can imagine, over 25 years. We've put all sorts on the menu. But the direction now is more about simplicity, more about clarity, more about obviously ingredients, provenance, all the sort of basic boxes you need to tick.
The teams that I've had here at the moment is one of the best I've ever worked with. They're all very young, and that's a great thing for me. They keep me young, keep my attitude young, and it's a great buzz. I really can't wait to get in the mornings.
The first dish we're doing is a beetroot-based dish, plant-based dish. So we're doing a beetroot dish with sort of iced wasabi. So, I wouldn't say it's a typical dish, but it's a dish that a plant-based dish will probably always feature on a Simpsons menu now, whether it's beetroot, carrot, leek. The seasons obviously dictate that, so we've got some lovely lamb on the menu at the moment, some Cornish lamb. Just, it's simple cooking, but the involvement of techniques has helped in consistency, I suppose, in that respect. So the dish we're going to do is just a lamb dish with onions, anchovy and some sea herbs. So it's very simple, but very, it's all about seasonality as well. About 2 years ago, our pastry chef left, and we've always relied on strength in depth at Simpsons. And we're thinking, we need to find a pastry chef. And I thought, well, maybe not. We've got a great girl, Rachel, who was under the running alongside the pastry chef, and she's got a great lightness of touch and produces some great dishes. So, and the dish we're going to do is a lemon dish, and again, it fits in with it. It's simple, it's classical flavours, but that marry together really well. So retaining the star for 20 years it's a fantastic achievement for any restaurant to be still going after 20 years, let alone with a star, with a Michelin star. So I think for us Simpsons is an institution. We get people in, young guys in, they leave, they go on, and as long as Andreas and myself are still able and willing to get up in the morning and carry on, we're not here to change the world. It's a neighbourhood restaurant, and we're just happy cooking great food for Birmingham.